best friend.
He brings blessings to all of you. Honor him.
What is it?
A sign from the grandfathers. A most delicious sign. We should really do this more often.
This is way outside my free delivery zone. You should try the breadsticks too. They're delicious.
You did it, Reggie. You saved us all.
Actually, I did. Yeah.
And I saved you, so technically I saved everyone. So hooray for me!
Isn't this wonderful, Justy?
Meow, 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 meow.
That's my slice.
Shut up, Daddy. Oh, hey, Gerald.
Oh, hey, Mrs. Billow! Mr. Anchovy, you have soiled our pizza with your small, dried fish. Tastes like dirty sock. Still better than my wife's cooking, am I right?
Hey guys, check it out.
Dude, please.
Thank you, great turkey. Look, everyone, I'm giving this turkey thanks. Wait a minute. I just invented a word. It's a thanksgiving. You like that? Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Now that I wasn't on the menu, I could see the holidays for what they were. Time to share. Time to come together. To be with the ones we care about and who care about us.